Hi everyone, welcome back to Detailing Daddy. Today we got the all new Kia Carens Clavis in for full body PPF treatment, which we used PPF of Solitaire 5 years. Watch as we take this beauty through every step from surface prep, panel cleaning, precision cutting and flawless film installation. All the way to that mirror finish, we use only premium grade PPF for ultimate gloss and long lasting protection. There you have it. The Carens now shines brighter and stays safer than ever. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more stunning transformations from Detailing Daddy Autonagar. See you in the next one. See you.